Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X7 Pro and let me share with you how to use the secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let's start with the shortest one, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both the main numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and now another code which should open the testing menu. It is *#4636##. So here we are in the testing mode, so basically we can check some technical information about our device. We've got two different phone informations. They are divided between two different SIM cards, and Wi-Fi information. So for example, the status, here we can refresh the stats and check the information just like the SSID or network ID. We can also run ping tests here. Let's go back, and the phone information, for example, for the first SIM card. So here you can check the email number, the car network, data service or voice service. Of course, beware, you will be able to check the information if you've got your SIM card inserted. I do not have one, that's why you cannot check the information. Let's tap on run ping test, and here you've got the results. What is more, you can tap on the three dots icon and view fixed dialing numbers or enable data connection. Let's go back and let me show you another code which should open the calendar information. It is *#225#*##. And here we are in the calendar info. So basically here we've got usually all the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. Be aware, because it will work if you've got your Google account added to the device. You can check how to do it using our tutorial, and then you will be able to check all of the events. Another code which should open the diagnostics, it is *#426###. And here we are in the diagnostics, so we can check the server, host port and time connected. After tapping on the status, we've got more information. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code, which should open the battery information. So the code is *#6485###. And here we are in the charging and battery information, so we can check the components of our device, whether it is charging or not, so whether the cable is plugged in or not, the exact percentage of the battery, which is right here and here, and what kind of condition of it is right now. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.